What's up, you guys? It's your girl Ray Love back with another tutorial. I just want to show you guys how to do this scarf wrapped bun in the front. My hair is not blended, so I just wanted to do this. I didn't feel like blending my hair. And all you would need is your scarf for this video. And I just love this long hair, you guys. So what you want to do is place it in the back of your head. Adjust it however you need it to be adjusted, and you're just gonna tie it simply in the front just so it's secure and it won't move or slide. And after you get that part all tied down, you just want to simply twist as if you're twisting your hair, and just wrap it around each other to make a twist. And then you're gonna take that once you get to the end and simply just wrap it around itself as if you were wrapping a bantu knot. And the end, you just want to tuck it under so it stays secure. And don't worry about the little piece on my forehead because I'm gonna fix that. But that's pretty much how you make the knot in the front with the headscarf, you guys. And you can adjust it however you need it to be adjusted, if you want it lower or higher or however you want it to be. I know you guys hear my son in the background. But yeah, this is so simple and easy. The reason I wanted to make this video is because I always wondered how to do this knot. I didn't really get how it'll stay in place unless you had like a really huge rubber band, I guess. So yeah, this tutorial is pretty much for the people who wants to know how to do it really quick and easy like I did. And it's really cute. I really like this style. This was actually like one of my first time doing it, and I think it's really cute. So let me know what you guys think. So that's pretty much the end of this video. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one. And I just want to show you guys my 1-year-old son. He just turned 1, you guys, and we have his birthday vlog on our family channel, so I will link that in the description if you want to see that. And he's walking and saying little stuff, you guys. But yeah, we love you and thank you guys again for watching.